My name is Brad Hall. Today's episode is really special. I filmed a segment where I try to determine if cool shoes get you noticed. Before I show you that, I want to talk about a cool pair of shoes, the pair of shoes that inspired this segment. It's the Michael Air Jordan 3 JTH Beige. It's the Justin Timberlake shoe. The shoe's got a beautiful tan suede upper. It's got a Nike swoosh sign. That's also in tan. The word higher is on the shoe. It's got elephant print that's pretty dark. Nike Air on the back. Leather laces. It's fuzzy on the inside. There's a little color on the eyelet. And then those soles. The gray, you can kind of see through that. Then there are more colors down there. And then there's also traction down there. So that's the shoe. It's a really cool one, but is it cool enough to help me get noticed? That's what I set out to try to figure out, and I'm gonna show you that right now. My name is Brad Hall. Today I'm gonna try to figure out if cool sneakers get you noticed. So I came to the city, a place where so many people are. I should have a big sample size to work with. I'm wearing my Michael Air Jordan 3 Justin Timberlake editions, a very cool sneaker. I've got two hidden cameras, one that's gonna get a good look at the scene. The other hidden camera, that's in my hat, that's gonna give you a good idea if people actually notice me. I'll be sitting in this well-traveled area, so let's see if I get noticed. So what did we learn today? We learned that cool shoes do help you get noticed by at least one person, and getting noticed by one person, that feels a lot better than getting noticed by 0 people. I also learned something today that I wasn't expecting to. White Castle, they've got a $3 bacon threesome deal. I did not know that.